Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shikha Prasad, lecturer of economics from the Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today in this video I am going to present you a topic on population explosion. Here we discuss and explain you about the population explosion, the causes of this population explosion and its impact. So let us start the topic of population explosion. Simply as it said that population explosion means effect of day by day increasing population to environment, commerce, education and psychology. Simply the population explosion means a rise in the growth of population in day by day life. Population explosion refers to the rapid and dramatic rise in world population that has occurred over the last few hundred years. Between 1959 and 2000, the world's population increased from 2.5 billion to 6.1 billion people. Population explosion refers to the number of people that lives in an area. It is a major issue for developing countries. Also, the government is not taking proper measures to control this problem. Besides, it generates many issues in the country that causes many problems for the people. So, simply population explosion refers to the number of people that lives in a country. It means a explosive rise in the number of population or a rapid and dramatic rise in the world population. This increasing population will create many problems in the developing countries like poverty, unemployment, malnutrition, illiteracy, etc. So, this causes many problems for the people of the country. So, let us move. Meaning of population explosion. It refers to the rapid increase in population of an area among human beings. Furthermore, it is a situation where the economy is not capable of coping with the increasing demand of its population. So, it simply means an increase in the population of an area. Where peoples are living, suddenly the population of those areas are increasing. It is a situation where economy is not capable of coping with the increasing demand of its population. As if there is more people living in the country, then their demand for their consumption also increases, and it is not possible to create more goods for fulfilling the demand of all the consumers. Now you can see in this picture that the Mother Earth is crying or thinking how she can feed the growing population. Now, the causes of population explosion. The causes of population explosion include many factors and reasons. These include first, increase in the birth rate. Due to lack of control on delivery and unawarenesses of the people, the birth rate is increasing rapidly. In addition, the gap between the death rate and birth rate has gone way wider than what we can think of. Furthermore, the birth rate has increased many folds in comparison to the death rate. So, the main reason or the cause of the population explosion is the rise in the birth rate. If the more peoples are taking birth and few peoples are dying, it means the gap between this birth rate and death rate is high. then it causes population explosion. Next one, a decrease in infant mortality rate. Mortality rate refers to the number of death of infants below the age of 6 months. Due to science and technology, we are able to minimize this rate, and now only a few cases of death are known per thousand deaths. So it means if the death rate of infants are decreasing, it means the number of people living in the country grow or increases, which create a population explosion. Now the next one, life expectancy growth. Earlier, the life expectancy of people was around 50 to 60 years. It means people are living at the age of 50 to 60 years. But due to better and improved medical facility, we are now able to increase the life expectancy of the people. Now, the average age of a person increased to 70 to 75 years. Beside these better living condition, good quality food, better nutrition, and better sanitation facility also helped in increasing life expectancy. So, if people are living a long life up to the age of 70 to 75, 80 years, then the lifespan of those person is very long, and during that period the population will grow because the birth rate is also increasing every year. So the life expectancy growth also help in causing population explosion. The next one, high level of illiteracy. The literacy level of women is one of the biggest problem of family planning in India. In India, people pay very little importance to the women's education and marry them at an early age. That's why they do not have knowledge about birth control methods and the use of contraceptives. So it means if the women are not educated and they are illiterate, then they cannot understand the importance of small family or a big family. So they are married at a very early age, so they have a long childbearing period, and this will cause a high rise in population, which cause a population explosion. So these are some points on which we can discuss that these are the causes of population explosion. So for controlling this population explosion, we have to provide education to the women, slow down the birth rate, and create awareness among the people to control the population. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks again.